Top 7 Best Mechanical Keyboards in 2026. A great mechanical keyboard can completely transform the way you work, game, and create. From faster response times and satisfying key presses to premium build quality and advanced customization, today's mechanical keyboards offer far more than just a better typing experience. But with so many excellent options on the market, choosing the right keyboard can be challenging. That's why we've researched and ranked the top 7 best mechanical keyboards of 2026 based on gaming performance, typing comfort, build quality, customization, durability, and overall value. Whether you're a competitive gamer, programmer, content creator, or simply someone looking to upgrade your setup, this list has the perfect keyboard for you. Let's begin with number 7. Number 7. Keychron Q1 HE. Starting our list at number 7 is the Keychron Q1 HE, a mechanical keyboard that proves you don't have to spend a fortune to get premium features. Over the past few years, Keychron has earned a reputation for producing keyboards that appeal to gamers, programmers, writers, and enthusiasts alike. In 2026, the Q1 HE continues that tradition by combining outstanding build quality with cutting-edge Hall effect switch technology, making it one of the best values in the mechanical keyboard market. The first thing you'll notice is its premium all-aluminum body. Unlike many keyboards that rely on plastic construction, the Q1 HE feels incredibly solid and durable. It has a satisfying weight that keeps it firmly planted on your desk, eliminating unwanted movement during intense gaming sessions or long typing marathons. The gasket-mounted design also creates a softer, more comfortable typing experience by reducing harsh bottom-out impacts while producing a pleasing acoustic profile. One of the biggest highlights is the Hall effect magnetic switches. Instead of relying on traditional mechanical contacts, these switches use magnetic sensors to detect every key press with exceptional precision. This technology allows users to customize the actuation point of every key, whether they prefer feather-light inputs for competitive gaming or deeper presses to reduce accidental keystrokes while typing. The keyboard also supports rapid trigger functionality, enabling keys to reset instantly when released, giving gamers a measurable advantage in fast-paced FPS and esports titles. Typing on the Q1 HE feels remarkably smooth thanks to factory lubricated switches, premium stabilizers, and high-quality PBT keycaps that resist shine even after years of daily use. South-facing RGB lighting delivers vibrant illumination without interfering with custom keycap compatibility, while VIA software makes remapping keys, creating macros, and customizing lighting effects incredibly simple. Connectivity is equally impressive. Users can switch between wired USB-C and Bluetooth connections, making the keyboard suitable for desktops, laptops, tablets, and multiple operating systems including Windows and macOS. Battery life remains excellent even with RGB lighting enabled. Although the Q1 HE lacks the wireless polling rates found on some ultra-premium gaming keyboards, its outstanding build quality, customizable magnetic switches, premium typing experience, and competitive pricing make it one of the strongest mechanical keyboard values you can buy in 2026. For enthusiasts seeking performance without overspending, the Keychron Q1 HE is an excellent place to begin our countdown. Number 6. Logitech G Pro X TKL Rapid. Taking the number 6 spot is the Logitech G Pro X TKL Rapid, a keyboard built for players who demand speed, consistency, and tournament-level performance. Designed with direct input from professional esports athletes, this tankless mechanical keyboard strips away unnecessary distractions and focuses entirely on delivering the fastest and most reliable gaming experience possible. Whether you're competing in Valorant, Counter-Strike 2, Call of Duty, or Apex Legends, the G Pro X TKL Rapid has everything needed to stay one step ahead of the competition. The keyboard features Logitech's latest magnetic analog switches, allowing every key to be adjusted with incredible precision. Users can customize individual actuation points, choosing extremely light presses for lightning-fast reactions or deeper actuation for improved control during everyday typing. Rapid trigger technology further enhances gameplay by instantly resetting keys as soon as they begin to rise, eliminating delays between repeated movements. This feature is especially valuable in competitive shooters where split-second reactions often determine the outcome of a match. Despite its gaming focus, the typing experience is surprisingly refined. Each keystroke feels stable, smooth, and consistent thanks to pre-lubricated switches and carefully tuned stabilizers. The durable PBT double-shot keycaps resist wear and maintain their textured finish even after years of heavy use, while the compact tankless layout creates additional mouse space, an advantage many professional gamers appreciate during low-sensitivity aiming. Logitech's G-Hub software gives users complete control over lighting, macros, profiles, and switch settings. You can save multiple onboard profiles, allowing the keyboard to retain your preferred configurations even when connected to another computer. LightSync RGB lighting offers vibrant customization with dynamic effects that can synchronize across compatible Logitech gaming peripherals. Connectivity is another strong point. The keyboard supports ultra-low latency Lightspeed wireless technology, Bluetooth connectivity, and traditional wired USB-C mode. Battery life is excellent, making it reliable for travel, tournaments, and long gaming sessions without constant recharging. While the compact layout may not appeal to users who frequently rely on a dedicated number pad, the Logitech G Pro X TKL Rapid delivers exceptional responsiveness, premium build quality, advanced magnetic switch technology, and professional-grade performance. For serious gamers looking for a dependable competitive keyboard in 2026, it remains one of the strongest choices available and comfortably earns the number 6 position on our list. Number 5. Wooting HE. Landing at number 5 is the Wooting HE, a keyboard that has earned a loyal following among competitive gamers and keyboard enthusiasts alike. Wooting helped popularize Hall effect technology long before it became mainstream, and the HE demonstrates exactly why the company continues to lead the industry. Combining innovative magnetic switches, premium construction, and unmatched customization, this keyboard offers an experience that few competitors can replicate. The standout feature is Wooting's lacquer magnetic switches, which use analog Hall effect sensors instead of traditional metal contacts. This allows every key to detect movement with exceptional precision and lets users fine-tune the actuation point anywhere from an incredibly light press to a much deeper key travel. Whether you're rapidly strafing in Counter-Strike 2, building at high speed in Fortnite, or executing complex movement in Apex Legends, the keyboard responds almost instantly to every input. One of the biggest advantages is Wooting's industry-leading rapid trigger implementation. Unlike conventional mechanical keyboards that require a key to return to a fixed reset point before registering another press, rapid trigger activates and resets dynamically based on your finger movement. The result is faster movement, smoother directional changes, and noticeably improved responsiveness during intense competitive gameplay. Many professional esports players consider this technology one of the biggest advancements in gaming keyboards over the last decade. Beyond gaming, the Wooting HE also delivers an outstanding typing experience. The gasket-mounted construction softens each keystroke while reducing unwanted vibration and noise. Factory lubricated switches provide buttery smooth operation, premium stabilizers eliminate key wobble, and thick PBT keycaps offer excellent durability while resisting shine after years of use. Customization is another area where the HE truly excels. Wootility software allows users to adjust per key actuation, create advanced macros, remap every key, configure analog inputs, customize RGB lighting, and save multiple onboard profiles. Best of all, much of this customization can even be performed directly through a web browser without requiring complicated software installation. Although it's priced higher than many traditional mechanical keyboards, the combination of cutting-edge Hall effect technology, unmatched customization, premium build quality, and elite gaming performance makes the Wooting HE one of the most advanced mechanical keyboards available in 2026. For users who want complete control over every keystroke, it's an exceptional choice and easily earns the number 5 spot in our rankings. Number 4. SteelSeries Apex Pro Gen 3. At number 4, we have the SteelSeries Apex Pro Gen 3, a keyboard that continues to redefine what gamers can expect from premium mechanical hardware. Building on the success of previous Apex Pro models, the 3rd-generation version introduces faster magnetic switches, smarter software, and an even more refined typing experience. It's designed for players who demand maximum speed without sacrificing comfort, making it one of the most versatile keyboards available in 2026. The Apex Pro Gen 3 features SteelSeries' latest OmniPoint 3.0 adjustable magnetic switches, allowing every key to be customized with pinpoint accuracy. Whether you want an ultra-sensitive 0.1mm actuation for competitive FPS games or a deeper press for comfortable everyday typing, every switch can be individually adjusted to match your personal preference. This level of customization is one of the keyboard's biggest strengths, giving users complete control over how every key behaves. Gaming performance is where the Apex Pro Gen 3 truly shines. Rapid trigger technology continuously tracks key movement, allowing keys to activate and reset instantly based on finger position rather than fixed mechanical points. The result is noticeably faster movement, smoother strafing, quicker counter-strafes, and more responsive gameplay in titles like Valorant, Counter-Strike 2, Rainbow Six Siege, and Call of Duty. Combined with an ultra-fast polling rate and extremely low latency, every command feels immediate and precise. The premium aluminum alloy frame gives the keyboard exceptional rigidity while maintaining a sleek, modern appearance. Double-shot PBT keycaps resist wear and maintain their texture after years of use, while factory lubricated stabilizers provide smooth, wobble-free performance on larger keys like the spacebar, enter, and shift. SteelSeries has also improved internal dampening, creating a quieter and more satisfying typing sound than previous generations. Customization is handled through the powerful SteelSeries GG software, where users can adjust per key actuation, create advanced macros, configure RGB lighting, and save multiple onboard profiles for different games and applications. The vibrant Prism RGB lighting remains one of the best in the industry, offering smooth animations and full synchronization with compatible SteelSeries peripherals. Although its premium price places it above many competitors, the SteelSeries Apex Pro Gen 3 delivers exceptional speed, outstanding build quality, unmatched switch customization, and excellent everyday usability. For gamers who want one keyboard that excels in both competitive play and daily productivity, it easily deserves the number 4 position on our list. Number 3. ASUS ROG Azoth X. Breaking into the top 3 is the ASUS ROG Azoth X, a premium mechanical keyboard that perfectly blends enthusiast-level craftsmanship with high-end gaming performance. Designed for users who refuse to compromise, the Azoth X combines exceptional build quality, advanced wireless technology, and an incredibly satisfying typing experience in a compact 75% layout. Whether you're gaming, programming, editing videos, or writing for hours every day, this keyboard delivers a level of refinement that's immediately noticeable. One of the first things you'll appreciate is its beautifully engineered construction. The aluminum alloy top frame provides outstanding rigidity while maintaining a sleek, modern appearance. Inside, multiple layers of silicone and foam dampening reduce vibration and unwanted noise, creating a deeper, cleaner typing sound. The gasket-mounted design adds a slight cushion beneath each keystroke, making long typing sessions more comfortable while giving every press a smooth, premium feel. The Azoth X comes equipped with ASUS ROG NX mechanical switches that are factory lubricated for exceptional smoothness and consistency. Available in linear, tactile, and clicky options, these switches cater to different preferences while maintaining excellent stability and durability. The keyboard is also hot swappable, allowing enthusiasts to replace switches without soldering and customize the typing experience whenever they choose. Gaming performance is equally impressive. ASUS utilizes its ultra-low latency SpeedNova wireless technology, delivering near-wired responsiveness even during competitive online matches. Alongside Bluetooth and USB-C wired connectivity, the keyboard can seamlessly switch between multiple devices, making it an excellent option for users who work across desktops, laptops, and tablets. A standout feature is the integrated OLED display located in the top corner of the keyboard. This small screen can display system information, battery status, multimedia controls, custom animations, and even personalized logos. Combined with the multifunction control knob, it provides quick access to volume, lighting, and system settings without interrupting your workflow. Per-key Aura Sync RGB lighting offers vibrant customization, while Armory Crate software enables advanced macro programming, lighting effects, key remapping, and profile management. The large battery provides outstanding endurance, allowing users to enjoy weeks of use before needing to recharge. Although it carries a premium price tag, the ASUS ROG Azoth X delivers one of the finest combinations of gaming performance, typing comfort, wireless reliability, and enthusiast-grade craftsmanship available in 2026. For anyone seeking a luxury mechanical keyboard that excels in every category, it's a deserving number 3 on our list. Number 2. Razer Huntsman V4 Pro. Taking the runner-up position is the Razer Huntsman V4 Pro, a flagship mechanical gaming keyboard that pushes performance to the next level. Razer has spent years refining its keyboard technology, and the Huntsman V4 Pro is the culmination of that experience. Designed for serious gamers, streamers, and power users, this keyboard combines lightning-fast responsiveness with premium construction and one of the most feature-rich experiences available in 2026. At the heart of the Huntsman V4 Pro are Razer's latest analog optical Gen 2 switches. Unlike traditional mechanical switches, these optical switches use light-based actuation, eliminating physical debounce delay and delivering nearly instantaneous response times. Every key press feels incredibly smooth and precise, while adjustable actuation allows users to customize how far each key must travel before registering. Whether you prefer featherlight inputs for competitive shooters or deeper presses for comfortable typing, the keyboard adapts effortlessly to your style. The Huntsman V4 Pro also introduces enhanced rapid trigger mode, allowing keys to activate and reset dynamically based on finger movement. This feature dramatically improves movement accuracy in fast-paced games like Valorant, Counter-Strike 2, Fortnite, and Call of Duty, where every millisecond matters. Combined with Razer's ultra-high polling rate and exceptionally low input latency, the keyboard delivers tournament-level performance that competitive players will immediately appreciate. Beyond gaming, the Huntsman V4 Pro offers a surprisingly refined typing experience. The aluminum top plate gives the keyboard excellent rigidity, while sound-dampening foam reduces unwanted noise and creates a cleaner, more satisfying keystroke. Double-shot PBT keycaps maintain their textured finish even after years of heavy use, ensuring long-lasting durability. One of the keyboard's standout features is its multifunction control dial and dedicated command buttons, allowing users to adjust volume, media playback, RGB brightness, application settings, and custom shortcuts without interrupting gameplay. Through Razer Synapse, users gain access to advanced macro programming, per-key RGB customization, onboard profile storage, and game-specific configurations. Razer Chroma RGB remains one of the industry's best lighting systems, supporting synchronization with hundreds of compatible games and devices. Although it comes at a premium price, the Razer Huntsman V4 Pro delivers exceptional speed, industry-leading optical switch technology, outstanding customization, and premium build quality. It represents one of the finest gaming keyboards available today. However, one keyboard still manages to outperform it in overall versatility, innovation, and value, earning the coveted #1 spot on our list. Number 1. NuPhy Field75 HE. Claiming the #1 spot on our list is the NuPhy Field75 HE, a mechanical keyboard that perfectly combines cutting-edge Hall effect technology, premium craftsmanship, exceptional typing comfort, and elite gaming performance. While many keyboards excel in one specific area, the Field75 HE delivers an incredibly balanced experience that satisfies competitive gamers, professional creators, programmers, and keyboard enthusiasts alike. In 2026, it stands as one of the most complete mechanical keyboards money can buy. At its core are NuPhy's advanced Hall effect magnetic switches, giving users precise control over every keystroke. Individual actuation points can be adjusted to match different tasks, allowing incredibly light presses for fast-paced esports titles or deeper actuation for comfortable typing and everyday productivity. The keyboard also supports rapid trigger, enabling keys to activate and reset dynamically based on finger movement rather than fixed mechanical positions. This technology provides noticeably faster reactions during competitive games while maintaining outstanding accuracy. The build quality is equally impressive. A robust aluminum chassis, premium gasket-mounted design, and multiple layers of acoustic dampening foam create a remarkably solid typing experience with a rich, satisfying sound profile. Every key press feels smooth, stable, and refined thanks to factory lubricated switches and carefully tuned stabilizers. High-quality double-shot PBT keycaps ensure long-lasting durability while resisting shine even after years of heavy daily use. One of the Field75 HE's biggest strengths is its versatility. It supports ultra-low latency 2.4 GHz wireless connectivity, Bluetooth for multiple devices, and USB-C wired mode, allowing seamless switching between gaming PCs, laptops, tablets, and smartphones. Its long-lasting battery easily powers extended workdays and gaming sessions without frequent charging, making it an excellent choice for users who value portability as much as performance. Customization is another standout feature. NuPhy's intuitive software allows users to fine-tune actuation points, configure rapid trigger settings, remap keys, create advanced macros, customize vibrant per-key RGB lighting, and save multiple onboard profiles for different games and workflows. Whether you're editing videos, writing code, creating content, or competing online, the keyboard can be tailored to fit your exact preferences. When everything is considered, gaming performance, typing comfort, wireless reliability, premium construction, customization, and overall value, the NuPhy Field75 HE rises above the competition. It represents the perfect balance between enthusiast-level engineering and real-world usability, making it our choice for the best mechanical keyboard of 2026.